Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, GBP, JPY, USD, JPY, and others. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that there was a huge up move on the chart of gold because of the Russia and Ukraine crisis. Okay, and when the world realized that NATO is not going to fight back, rather they are just simply focusing on the sanctions, we saw a huge drop on the price of gold from here. Right now the world is more or less prepared that yes, there will be sanctions on Russia, and Russia will be invading Ukraine. So as a result, we have seen the recovery of the stock market around the world. So as the world market is trying to recover right now, so there is also a possibility that gold will be seeing some correction in the coming week. Market closed at 1888. Okay, 1888. This is the last traded price of gold USD. So before I proceed, I would like to request every one of you, those who trade on gold, that please use proper risk management, strict risk management, because this market is very sensitive right now, and this market will be very sensitive in the coming weeks as well. So using proper stop loss and strict risk management is extremely important to protect your capital, protect your hard-earned money. So do not make the mistake of not using any stop loss here. So we have got few levels right now. Okay, though the market is not stable, but still we have got some levels. Okay. So first of all, I would like to talk about the level of 1878 on the downside. 1878, this was the low made by the market when the world started telling about the sanctions. So as a result, we can hope that if price comes down, then 1878 may try to act as support for the market. So if it provides the support to the market and it bounces, you can take a buy position. But keep in mind, 1878 is not a confirmed support yet. So my dear friend, it's your duty to get the confirmation first and then only act. When market at 1878, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see price is being rejected from below, market is trying to bounce from here, you get the confirmation, okay, this is the support, you can go for a buy with strict stop loss around 1875, 1874. And in case you see that the selling pressure is high enough, 1878 is struggling to provide the required support to the market, in that case you can take a sell position. Sell position below 1878 level. So considering this move in the market, there is a possibility that market may break the support and go down. So if market breaks the support of 1878 and starts falling, definitely you can take a sell position as well. Again, keep in mind, strict stop loss will be extremely important because our capital deserves protection. Okay. And in that case there will be a huge fall. Okay, huge fall. And I think that your take profit target should be around 1845 to 1840 level, because around 1840-45 level we have the 200 moving average. So there's a possibility that when market coming down, that 200 MA will be acting as support again. So this is a different chapter. I'll be coming if market starts falling, then definitely I'll cover up this portion. Okay, but as of now, just keep in mind, if market falls below 1878, it's a sell. If market bounces, it's a buy. But whatever you do, please follow strict risk management, because this market is news sensitive. Secondly, if market starts going up after the market opening, then we have 1902 level on the upside. 1902. So again, your duty is to observe the market and see how the market is reacting, because this market seems to be an uptrend. Okay, but if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here. Okay. And if we consider the present scenario of the world, then yes, there is a possibility that yes, gold may see some correction as well. So considering these factors, there is a possibility that if market starts going up also around 1902 level, 1902 level, okay, market will reverse again. So if market reverses from the 1902 level, we can also take a sell position because this will be our retracement level. Okay, 1902 level, keep in mind. And lastly, we have 1928 to 1930, 1928 to 1930 level at the top as resistance. So if market goes up and reverses from the 1920 and 1930 level, we can also take a sell position from there as well. So as of now, just keep in mind, my dear friends, we have three levels. At the top, okay, we have 1928 to 1930 level as the resistance. Okay, in case something unexpected happens and market goes up, there's a possibility market to reverse from this level. On the other hand, after the market opening on Monday, if market tries to go up, there is a possibility that around 1902 level or 1903 level, market will face some resistance because the world economy, not world economy, the world market is trying to recover, and more or less the world is getting prepared that yes, there will be no war. Russia will be invading Ukraine, and NATO and the US will just impose sanctions on Russia. As a result, there is a possibility that market may reverse from this level. Okay, because gold was going up because the whole world was thinking that there is a crisis, there will be a huge war, World War III. So gold is the safest investment option. As a result, it was going up. Okay, so right now, considering all these factors, there is a possibility that 1902, 1903 level market may reverse. Okay, and lastly, we have 1878 level. If market comes down to this level, observe the market and see. If market bounces, well and good, take a buy. But there is also a possibility of market breaking the support and going down as well. Why? Again, because of the geopolitical scenario in the market. If market breaks the support of 1878 and starts going down, then definitely we can take a sell position as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Again, I'll say market is very sensitive. Please use strict risk management because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well because we have all seen how volatile this market is. So please be careful. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday.